Hey, Scott Leonard, Gummy Drones. Today, we're going to go ahead and open up a package for my next SDI UAS course, and that is UAS 201. Let's go. Okay, I start my new course for SDIs, Unmanned Aerial Systems program, and that begins on Monday. And I received the course materials for UAS 201, and according to their website, this course is about sensors. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what they got for us. After we get into this, I'm going to go ahead and make a recommendation for the sUAS program at SDI based on the three courses I've had so far with them. But what we have here, we have a packing list. They have given us a light meter, a protractor, solar viewing glasses, and a tri-bar resolution target. So I don't know what that's going to be all about. We'll have to find out here. Carry case. And then the actual tri-bar resolution target. So, let me go ahead and roll this back up, and it'll be interesting to see what kind of concepts we're going to be able to learn concerning sensors, and with the materials they've sent to assist in that process. Let's see. The SDI Small Unmanned Aerial Systems program, in my opinion, is not worth the time and trouble to pursue with them. It's my opinion that one would be better off going through Pilot Institute, for one, and other various YouTube content creators that provide information about from flying your drone to utilizing the cameras and video than you would from SDI. It's a waste of money, in my opinion. Their gunsmithing program, however, was top-notch. I've grown up around guns, firearms, and I went through their program, and I still learned things about firearms, ballistics, reloading, things like that, that I didn't know about. And it actually, some of the information that I had prior to SDI's gunsmithing program, I was able to refine that information on the materials that they presented and their assignments. However, their drone program is an afterthought. The quizzes on the module, at least for UAS 250, do not match the material that they present to you in that module. For instance, we were on module 2. We were asked about the red flags on the cross-section maps, and that information wasn't presented in any of the lecture for that module. However, you go into module 3, well, there it is. It talks about the red flags on those maps and what it means. Unprofessional, difficult, instructors that don't know, at least, again, the ones that I've dealt with so far, don't have an understanding of the drone program. Yeah, not worth it. Other people obviously may have other opinions, but there's a better way to go, in my opinion. And I think Pilot Institute is one of the better ones that I've seen as I've looked around. So anyway, if you have any other comments or anybody else that you'd like to recommend to pursue a greater understanding of the unmanned aerial systems, please put it in the comments. Let me know. And anyway, that'll do it. This is it. SDIs UAS 201 sensors. They sent us a target, a light meter, a protractor, and some glasses to look at the sun. We'll see what they do with that. Hey, thanks for watching. Take care.